Martinez? Hi, Sergeant LeBlanc, remember?
Yes, nice to see you again.
Ma'am, I am so sorry to disturb you, but I'm looking for Ricky.
Oh, you just missed him.
He was here?
Yes, he stayed with us last night. He's on leave before his deployment.
Leave, right. Did he say where he was going?
He went to see some friends.
He didn't mention their names, did he?
No, why? Is something wrong?
Just want to check in. When do you expect him back?
I don't know. You want to come inside for some coffee?
Another time, maybe. If Ricky checks in, will you tell him to give me a call, please?
Of course. Sergeant?
Yeah.
I'd like to thank you for all you've done for Ricardo. We're very proud of him.
You're welcome, ma'am.